Hello and welcome to our video on how to make French toast at home. First, you will need all your ingredients: some vegetable oil to grease the pan, cinnamon, white bread, and naturally some eggs. You can take your vegetable oil and dab a little bit onto a paper towel, and once you get over to your pan, you can add a little bit more vegetable oil onto the pan and spread the oil evenly with your paper towel. So the next thing you want to do is grab 2 bowls, one for your cracked eggs and one for your egg shells. In our video, we used 3 yolks and 5 eggs in total. After you crack your eggs, take your cinnamon and add it evenly on the surface of the bowl. Then after you've added your cinnamon, take a fork and whisk it so that the yolks blend in evenly. After you whisk your eggs, set the fire on the stove to medium. After the stovetop has been on for about 2 minutes, we tested to see if it was hot enough by taking just a little bit of the egg yolk in the bowl and putting it on the pan. The next thing you want to do is take your piece of bread and place it into the bowl and flip it once so that egg yolk gets on each side. Then remove the piece of bread and place it onto the frying pan. Do the same for the rest of the pieces. After no more than 1 minute, take your spatula and flip each piece of French toast. After approximately 1 more minute, take your spatula and remove the pieces of French toast. They should have a golden brown finish to them. And voila! Your French toast is done. It should be very delicious. Thank you for watching.